Today we're gonna make a 6-cheese grilled cheese sandwich. Sometimes you just wanna have something that's very decadent, really tasty, and yeah, sure, it's not healthy, but who cares? Let's make it. For the bread, we're gonna use some French-style country bread. Now, when you start making a grilled cheese sandwich, you always gotta start with mayonnaise or butter that you place on the outside of the bread. Me personally, I prefer using butter, but unfortunately today, my butter is hard as a rock. Don't worry about it. All you gotta do is you gotta take a little bit of the butter, slap it on the pan, let it melt, and then you can gently place your grilled cheese sandwich onto the pan. Sure, it's better to spread it evenly on the bread with some soft butter, but it's okay. When you're on a pinch, you improvise. So let's start with some good old American cheese. All right, let's take it up, open up the packaging here. I'm gonna place it over like that. It's okay if it overlaps the bread. We don't really care because it's still gonna look cool. Here we got some beautiful and delicious smoked cheddar. I purchased this at Costco. It's absolutely incredible. So here, I like to use this little device, and I'm just gonna grate some smoked cheddar over the bread. Now we're gonna put some Parmigiano Reggiano. We're gonna put this on the right side of the bread, because if I put this on the side where the American cheese is and I try to fold it all together, it might get messy. Once all the mountain of grated cheese here is ready, I'm just gonna flip over the American cheese and nice and easy over the sandwich. Now we got our pre-grated cheese. There's 3 types of cheese in here. We got some Monterey Jack, some mozzarella, and some mild cheddar cheese. And you know what's the beauty? It's already shredded. I just gotta sprinkle it on. Now it's time to grab our side that has the American cheese, and let's put that over like that. Oh my God, look at that beauty. Time to grill this grilled cheese sandwich. So since my butter's still frozen, I'm gonna just plop it onto the pan and we're gonna let it melt. Now that the butter is all melted, I'm gonna take my grilled cheese sandwich, I'm gonna just place it on the pan, and I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. And remember, the trick here is low and slow. I'm gonna put a lid over the grilled cheese sandwich. Let's take this lid off the pan. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of butter on the side, let it melt. Let's flip this grilled cheese, swirl it all around. Oh, you hear that goodness? Oh yes, look at that nice brown crust on this bread. Let's take it out. Let's cut into this grilled cheese sandwich. Ooh, look at that ooey gooey goodness. Time to do a taste test. Wonderful. I absolutely love this grilled cheese sandwich. Try different cheeses. You got nothing to lose. If you like eating the cheese cold, I guarantee you, you're gonna love eating that cheese melted. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. It won't cost you anything.